Today, I will show you how to get mods in Lethal Company. There's a ton of cool stuff you can do with mods, like adding extra items, making the game more intense, or even playing with more than 4 friends. Make sure all your friends install the same mods, preferably in the same manner to avoid any issues. First, we'll need a free software called Thunderstore Mod Manager. It can be done manually, but it's so much easier with software. The link to the website will be in the description. Download and install the software. Once installed, search for Lethal Company. Let's create a new profile from which we will play modded Lethal Company. Now, under Get Mods, download BPNX Pack. Next, sort by download count to find some cool mods. You'll also need Lethal Company API, so download that. I would also recommend More Company to play with more friends. As you can see, the mods are already installed, and we can hit the Play Modded button. We can tell the mods are working because on the bottom left, it says MC, or it could also say Modded. You can alter some of the mod settings in the Edit Config part of the Thunderstorm Mod Manager. Some mods aren't yet available for the current version of the game. To revert to an older version of the game, find the game in your Steam library, right-click on it, go into Properties, and under Beta, select the previous version. To revert back, just set the beta back to none. And that's all for this short tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching.